Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix notification sound not working after the iOS 18 update. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is go into your setting on your iPhone and then go over to your notifications and sound here. So we're going to go into the sounds right here and haptics. And for that, we want to ensure that the phone is not in silent mode. If it's on like this, we need to turn that toggle off so it's not in silent mode. Now, along with that, you want to also make sure the ringer volume is turned up so you can hear the ringer volume. And then the next thing you want to check out is these ringtones as well. So if you're looking for the notification sound for maybe your messages, you want to make sure that it's selected to one you can hear or select a different one. So you want to make sure that is turned on as well. And you're going to go through the list, and sometimes it helps to switch it up. So for example, if one of them says none, right, like this one, you won't get any notification. So you want to go ahead and change it to a different one. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do in order to fix it is to ensure that your phone is not on do not disturb. So in order to check that, pull down the control menu where it says focus right here, tap on that, make sure this is not turned on or any of the focus mode is turned on. You want to just tap on it to turn it off. That way we know that there isn't a focus mode that could be turning off the notification sound. Now, along with that, the next thing to check out is the notification settings themselves for specific apps. So in the settings, you want to go to notifications and then scroll down. And let's say you weren't getting sound for messages as an example, right? You want to make sure that says allow notification. Select all of this, select the banners notification. Finally, when it comes to the sound section, you want to ensure that it's selected. So if it says none, right, for messages, if I have this selected, I will get a notification without any sound. So I want to make sure that you select a sound like text tone as an option or any of these other ones as well. And you're going to go down for other apps as well. So if you have an app like that you're using, maybe X for example, it's turned off, you're going to turn the notification on. Again, when it comes to sound, you want to make sure the sound setting is turned on so you can get notification for that app as well. And go down the list and review for each app that you want sound notification that it is turned on. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out in your settings here, you're going to go down to the option for Face ID and passcode. You're going to go ahead and enter your current passcode for your phone and go down, and this is a setting that you might need to turn off, which is going to be attention awareness feature right here. This is a new feature that basically checks for attention before dimming display and turning notifications and lowering sounds of some alerts. So you want to turn that off so you get sounds even when you're using the phone. It's not going to dim the sound or if it thinks that the phone is on. So we're going to turn that setting off as well. Now, along with that, the next thing to troubleshoot is following these steps. If you're still having issue, you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So without touching the screen. So I'll do quickly volume up, volume down, then I hold on to the side button. Just keep on holding to the side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear. So as you can see here, I'm holding down that side button here. I'm going to wait for that Apple logo to reappear and then I let go of that side button. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. If it's your very first time doing this method, it does take a while, but it fixes a lot of software related issue. Usually it's a go-to solution, which is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black. Now, this will not delete any of your data, so all of your data on your phone will be safe, like your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be there. Now, the last and final thing to do is go into your settings, general, software update, and to update your phone to the latest version. Sometimes a previous update might have caused issue where there are bug fixes, like this one says. You're going to click on update to fix any sort of issues that you may be having with your phone. And hopefully after doing that, I hope it fixes your notification sound. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button. Also, if you found another solution as well that helped, do share it in the comment section, and we'll see you guys next time.